have done my BE and MBA in HR and operations. My husband's name is Amruta Ghate. He is a BTech and he is currently working in Dubai. He is an instrumentation service engineer. I have one son who is 5 years old. Please pardon me if I fumble. I am doing this after so long. My birthplace is Nagpur, Maharashtra. I like to travel, read and crafting. Currently, I am doing that epoxy and resin stuff. And we are into business since 2 years now. We fabricate almost everything into iron. Like we are into shades, grills, shutters, and into garden furnitures and iron furnitures, and all in customization. These are some products which we have done till now. In network, we have a strong network with the architects and the builders. We have a good connect with several members from fabrication and traders communities. The goals we have right now is to reach at least 1,000 more customers in this year and to enter into the iron furniture market in India by 2024 and to start a manufacturing of small and medium industrial jobs which are required in the industries by 2023. We are quite fortunate to have worked with some good people and hardworking contractors, builders, homeowners, and deliver our products to them. Our best customers are who feel cheated in terms of weight in their products, who feel like we have not given the right amount for the right weight in our products, and who expects finishing and proper servicing from us. Examples of reference work well for me are the people in construction in their own homes and building, people who wants to decorate their gardens and balconies with the iron pot planters and pot stands and garden chairs. People have a desire to make a customized furniture in wrought iron in their homes. People who want sheds for parking areas and shops. My contact sphere of business is architects, interior and exterior designers, civil engineers, contractors, builders, traders related to construction industry. My complementing business partners are interior designers, architects, electricians and plumbers. Customer type I'd like to have are the builders, and we are thinking about taking the license for NMC, NIT and Gram Panchayat contracts. The memory hook for us is deliver trust with quality, and इस घर की मजबूती सिर्फ सरिया ईंट और सीमेंट से नहीं होती दोस्तों, कुछ बस लोहे की खिड़कियां भी निभाती हैं. Thank you so much.